the magistrate called on 3 names from Georgeville, and they called some Arnold, a lady by the surname of Arnold, and then Mr. Ifield, her husband, and Mr. Lopez that lives on 2.5 miles from Georgeville on the Pine Ridge Road. Well, we started, we felt very comfortable that the objection will be granted to us. But when somebody murmured and said that the magistrate is some magistrate Ford from Belize City and she just came to do this particular case, the 33 objections. Well, we continued, we were in court. When our evidence, we had people testifying that Mr. Cotton, well, he's not Mr. Cotton, he is Mr. Ifield, but people know him as Cotton from Georgeville, went, testified. The liars were there, our liars, their liar, and they said that they live in Santa Elena. When our liar went up, Mr. Saldiva, he said that he cross-questioned Mr. Cotton, cross-questioned Ms. Arnold and Mr. Lopez. And one of the incidents that happened in court was that they asked Mr. Cotton's wife, or Kamala wife, Miss Arnold, and where do you live? The magistrate asked Miss Arnold. Miss Arnold was saying she lives in Jeopardy Street. Mr. Alberto Agas was present, and he was murmuring to the witness, to Miss Arnold, and said, it's not Jupiter, it's not Jeopardy, it's Jupiter. We went to the houses where these people live and the houses where they put them in Santa Elena, and we got photographs. We got photographs of all the people. We had evidence, we had people, witnesses of people living nearby. When we found out we lost, we said, all right, Monday is another day. They called about next 3 people. We lost again. We had all the evidence and we lost.